Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Convert 2 times 5L to ml, 2 times 5 liters to milliliters. Correct answer is to convert 2 times 5 liters to milliliters, we need to remember that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Therefore, to convert 2 times 5 liters to milliliters, we simply multiply 2 times 5 by 1000. 2 times 5 liters 1000 equal 2500 milliliters. So hence 2 times 5 liters is equivalent to 2500 milliliters.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.